One high. All right. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. All right. The edge has been products. You eat all the vegetables, you eat everything. So you know this, right? Bamboo. Yeah. Good. Right here.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, right here. This tree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see.
So some of them come yellow.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, this is the tree right here.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. More bamboo. It's the next fruit here. Seeds.
Okay.
With a bit of salted water, and then you crack the seed, something like peanut. And it's white inside. It's very, very good.
I don't know.
Yeah. We have bread nut and we have breadfruit. Yeah.
In Germany it's not to buy.
No. Right. Yeah. You leave this souvenir and so many people.
C'est les bébés rondins et mon frère. Tu veux les bébés rondins, mon frère?
Lascia passare prima.